Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I'm a Seint Beauty artist and I'm excited today because I'm going to show you guys my absolute favorite everyday eyeshadow look. So if I had to only choose one eyeshadow look for the rest of my life, this would be it. So what I'm doing is I'm going in and priming my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Then I'm taking my Seint eyeshadow brush and I'm taking the color Cupcake and I'm putting it all over my lid. A translucent powder will do, but basically what I'm doing is I'm creating a nice base so when I go in with the darker colors, they'll blend out easier. So next I'm going in with the color Bubba. This is a beautiful kind of butterscotch caramel color and I'm just applying that all over my lids, kind of using this like a buffing. I'm pressing it, kind of pressing it into my lids and then doing very gently a windshield wiper motion. And then what I'm going to do is flip my eyeshadow over and use the pencil side of it to do the bottom lashes. I love to do this because I feel like it kind of brings the whole eyeshadow look together. I'm going to smudge off any excess stuff and just make sure that everything is blended out. Then I'm going to go in with the color Coco. This is a beautiful kind of cool toned brown. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus that color on the outside of my eyelid. I am starting to notice that my eyelids are getting a little bit more crepey, a little bit more mature, like they're just moving kind of when I do the eyeshadow swiper motion. So what I like to do is I like to pack the eye, like the eyeshadow color on. So instead of doing that windshield wiper motion, I'm actually doing kind of a packing, like pressing motion. And I find that it's super helpful to apply the color and kind of blend it out because sometimes when you do the windshield wiper motion, your eyelids kind of move with it. So if you have maturing eyelids, that's a good tip for you. Then I'm going to go in with the color Riviera. I'm taking my finger and it's the best way to apply our shimmer colors, but because my nails are a little bit longer, I can't get into the corners, so I'm just taking the Seint smudge brush and just making sure that that color is built up. Then I'm going to take that Bubba color again and just make sure that the shimmer color didn't go up too high and making sure that everything is blended out. I'm going to go in next with the black eyeliner that I use. This is the black eyeliner from Essence. It is absolutely amazing. It doesn't smudge, it stays in place, and it is super, super affordable. Next, I'm going in with my absolute favorite mascara. This is by Maybelline. I love the Beyond Beauty, what is it? City Beauty Beyond Mascara, but it's $35. And even though it is between these two, they're my favorite mascaras. I love the Maybelline one because it is a heck of a lot more affordable. I think it's like $12.99 or something at Ulta. So it's definitely easier to get your hands on. You can go to the drugstore to pick it up. But what I love about it is it gives you big, bold, thick looking lashes, kind of like you're wearing falsies without wearing falsies, and it doesn't clump up. And you can see here, I am putting, this is not edited, I'm putting on layers and layers of it. It is a little bit more of a wet formula, so I have to kind of build it up a little bit more, but I love it because it does not clump and it gives me those big, bold lashes. So that is the final eyeshadow look. What I love about this is it will go with any eye color, but it also can be kind of deepened for more of a nighttime look. So hopefully you guys enjoyed.